Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a highly requested one via Instagram, and today I'm showing you 4 different ways to style your coffee table this holiday season. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I give you some inspiration like always. So idea number 1, it's super simple, you guys. This one is one of my favorites, especially because I have a toddler now, so he's touching all my decor. So this one doesn't have a lot going on, but I think it's still super festive and so glam at the same time. It's not over the top, but it's still very elegant. Idea number 2, I love it. It's super me. I think it goes perfect with my crystal glam that I'm going for this year. I love how this turned out. Again, there's not so much going on in the coffee table, but it still looks super Christmassy if you ask me, and it just looks so pretty, and it looks like it's not there because it's glass, you know what I mean? So for idea number 3, I decided to display this oversized orchid centerpiece that I did myself, and I think it looks so pretty and super glam in this space. It would also work somewhere else, but I just wanted to see how it would look in the coffee table. Obviously I cannot leave this there with Jaden, but it looks so pretty. I just wanted to kind of share that. Last idea, which is idea number 4, you guys, I wanted to do something that you guys could display in case you're entertaining this holiday season, you have company over. So your coffee table still has some decor, but it's more functional towards entertaining. So here you see the champagne glasses. I'm supposed to have a champagne bottle there, but I don't have, so I put a wine bottle. So this one is perfect for that, for like holiday entertaining and company and stuff like that. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So guys, happy holiday to you and yours. Let me know down in the comment which one was your favorite style. Thanks for watching. God bless.